Hello. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a feature class in ArcGIS Pro. Feature class is going to show up on the left-hand side here. Here you can see I already have two of them set up. One is address point data for Milwaukee County. The other one is a Milwaukee city boundary polygon. I have those set up. So feature classes are going to be set up within three different vector features. One is a point feature. As you can see, the address points, just small nodal dots. One is a polyline or line feature, which is going to be single lines that have the ability to connect to point features. And then you have polygon features, which are fully encompassing of an entire area. As you can tell, the Milwaukee city boundary covers the entire Milwaukee city extent. So in this case, to create a feature class, you're going to go up to the analysis ribbon up top here in ArcGIS Pro. This will bring you up a lot of analysis tools, but you are going to pick the primary toolbox here. It's going to open up a geoprocessing pane on the right-hand side. And here, under Find Tools, you can just type in Create Feature Class. And the first one that will pop up here is your Create Feature Class tool. It's a data management tool. Creates an empty feature class in a geodatabase or shapefile in a folder. When you first click on this, it'll open up the tool. It will default to your primary geodatabase that you have running in whatever work project you are currently in. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to create a name for your feature class, depending on what you want to do. So if I wanted to take, you can't really see, it gets more dense inside central Milwaukee. So the address points are showing up primarily on the outside of the boundary, but if I wanted to get the address points within the city of Milwaukee itself and put it into its own feature class, I could do that. I could just call it City of Milwaukee Addresses. And these will be taking point address features, so I want the geometry type to be point. So it'll usually default on something like polygon, but here your primary vector features are going to be shown in here, but you're primarily going to work with point, polygon, or polyline features. This one will be a point. I could use a template data set for the attributes within it. So if I wanted to take everything from the address points feature class and put it into my new one, I could use this template here. But if I want to create my own attribute template, I could just leave that blank. It's going to be important to use your current map coordinate system so that everything is within the same coordinate system. And then you will simply click Run. Here, this usually doesn't take that long, but as you can see on the left-hand side, the City of Milwaukee Addresses feature class is represented on the left-hand side of my screen. And from here, I can do all sorts of things to set it up where I can append in the address points from the City of Milwaukee into it. I can change my symbology for the points. As you can tell, it's a different color than the red dot in the address points feature class. Or I could go in, I can create my own attributes to append in whatever information from the initial address points feature class here. So that'll do it. That's pretty simple how to create a feature class within ArcGIS Pro.